I'm Ned Heywood, working in Chepstow, producing pottery, but also Julia and I specialise in making blue plaques. As a potter, one of the things that I do is make pots with a chung glaze, which is a Chinese glaze originating over 1,000 years ago. About 30 years ago, I realised that the material that we used for making pots was perfect for making blue plaques. The blue plaques immediately tell anybody who sees them on a building that either somebody important lived there or that the building itself has a particular historic significance. The majority of plaques we make are for England, but we do make quite a lot of plaques for Wales. Julia does the lettering by hand, which gives us a far more authentic product. Working with Creative Cardiff, I've given a couple of talks about the process of setting up a workshop and the way that the business has evolved and developed from a potter making pots and sculpture into something which is a unique business which serves companies, corporations, civic societies throughout the UK. It's a great feeling to know that you've created something that is going to be there forever.